Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to reply on messages on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First, go to your message which you want to reply on it and hold on it like this, and here you will find the reply. Click on it and that's it. Here you can reply on any message you want, and that's it. That's how to reply on messages on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.